Hi everyone, hope you all are fine. I am back again with another innovative idea. Before explaining the innovative idea, I wish to share one experience in my life. Once in a meeting, I asked to a senior engineer of chiller manufacturing company, is it possible to install the chilled water system for a building at a lower cost than the VRF system? He replied me back with a smile, and the answer was impossible. I asked the same to many other engineers, managers, and very technical people. The answer was same, impossible. This answer led me to this innovative idea and beautiful presentation. Yes, it is possible. That is engineering, science, and innovation. I welcome you all to the beautiful presentation.
Chilled water system cheaper than VRF system? Let us see the new innovative idea. The building is like an insulated duct when it complies with your rules and green building regulation. Due to the use of low thermal conductivity insulation, heat penetration into the building through the external walls and roof is so minimal. Now imagine a situation where the designer makes calculation for the capacity of VRF outdoor units. In addition to the exterior walls, he should consider the wall partition, floor and ceiling partition. The thermal conductivity of partition walls and ceilings and floors is very high, which has a great influence on load calculation. Since one can buy a flat and live in another place, the flat coming on the side, bottom and top cannot be considered as air conditioned. Sometimes a floor can be empty for a variety of reasons. The designer can never make an excuse that the flat below is empty and cannot achieve cooling. Now, when the supplier selects the outdoor unit, the capacity may be further increased as the supplier does not have the same capacity outdoor unit based on actual requirements. What happens when the designer makes calculation for the capacity of the chilled water system? While doing high side chilled water calculation, flat partition, corridor partition, lower level and upper level floor need not be considered as a partition. Now, some of you may be wondering, is the partition load has a real impact on load calculation? Of course, yes. Now, due to the green building concepts and EVA regulation, the heat load from the wall, the heat load from the glass, the heat load from the roof, the lighting load, ventilation load, the heat dissipation from the equipments are miraculously reduced. The heat load from the partitions and the occupants remains the same as before. Heat load is now determined by these two main factors. One, the partition load, and the second one, occupant load. How can a partition have a large impact on heat load? Let us observe the values of thermal conductivity. The thermal conductivity of the floor is 10 times the thermal conductivity of the roof. The thermal conductivity of the partition wall is 4 times the thermal conductivity of the external wall. Let us now illustrate an actual project as an example. The building has 17 floors and 408 apartments. Heat load was accurately calculated using HAB software. The total VRF outdoor unit capacity for a complete building considering all partition was 3250 TR based on HAB calculation. When the supplier selects the outdoor unit, the capacity is increased to 3400 TR as the supplier does not have the same capacity outdoor unit based on actual requirements. When all the partitions were removed, the total chiller capacity of the same building was 1800 TR based on HAB calculation. Surprisingly, there is a difference of 1600 TR. Capital cost analysis. Usually, people in the industry compare 3250 TR VRF system to the 3250 TR chiller plant. Here, they convince the claim that there is a price difference of about 2.1 million US dollar. Even though the VRF system has many drawbacks over the chilled water system, the client will be forced to go for the VRF system. Applying this new design concept, the 3400 TR VRF system should be compared to the 1800 TR chilled water system. Surprisingly, a chilled water system cost 0.65 million US dollars less than a VRF system. The customer can save money by availing the following benefits. Benefits of chilled water system: low capital cost than VRF system, huge reduction in electrical load, HVAC capacity is almost half now, green building concept, new innovative idea, longest lifespan, higher return on investment, safer and reliable solution. Thank you. We will be joining with you soon with another innovative idea and concept. Meet you soon. Bye bye. Take care.